Alright, so you guys wanted to tour the studio, theater, arcade, whatever. So here it is. So let's start over here. We've got some signs up here which are very bright, which I never turn on. Let me get back over here, hold on a second. Alright, so here we are. There's the arcade, hot dogs, whatever, candy machines, snack bar, the arcade, some chips over there. We got the projectors turned on now, so let me go ahead and just turn that off because it is kind of loud. But when it's actually playing, it's not. When it's all warmed up, it doesn't have the fan on. It's just default right now. So let me turn it off. All right, so here we go. So we got the tablet I use for my scripts when I record. There is a Rode NT1 microphone in here, this part, and if it can be RGB, it is RGB. Everything I could do about that. And you'll see that we're on the Raspberry Pi right now, not on the actual laptop. But I do use a laptop occasionally because there are plugins that just don't have that. And I've got the Scarlett 2i2 interface down there, MIDI keyboard, what it's called. We got the stream pad for editing, which isn't accurate now. Now, if I want to switch to the laptop, I just hit this button and that button, and then the mouse, the keyboard, and the laptop. Oops, there we go. Are on the this monitor. Like you see the mouse moves. So that's the actual thing. But I'm usually on the Raspberry Pi. Back there. I don't log into that, but so oops. That's pretty much it. Oh, I guess you can actually do the recording booth, huh? Alright, so this is a recording booth. It's got a heavy acoustic blanket there to cover it up. Cover that like that when I'm recording. Time up there. Like I said, if it can be RGB, it's RGB. Even the light in here. Hold on, let me turn that on. Forgot to turn that on. So I got rid of the ceiling fan and we got an RGB light up there. Now I will set this for whatever mood. I'm doing a space thing. I'll have a different color, like a purples or whatever. I'll just have it up there. And there's all the important thing there. The movie posters. I've got some decor, and of course the golden records, which is hard to see, but it is a golden record up there, and some plaques about it and such. So, like I said, this is where I record. This is where I do touch-up recording. Let me rephrase that. Touch-up recording. So, let's go over here. Get in the studio. And this is where I record when I want to stand up and do things. Now, this monitor mirrors the other monitor. And this keyboard also does that, too. The keyboard mouse here is just... So, see, that mouse works right there. That's pretty much it. This is a AT Audiotech 2020, which I do the bulk of my recording on when I'm standing up in here. It gets hot in here real quick, but I ran a power strip to the other side, and we have a little fan down there. A little fan down there. That's very silent. Okay. And that's pretty much it. This is where I do my recording and such. So yeah. And I do use the hot glue gun on a lot of things, actually. If it can be hot glue, I hot glue it. Or some of these, when they come loose, I had the little adhesive pads. I just popped it with the air stapler. Boom, 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 boom. Done. 10 seconds. Done. So if something comes loose because the adhesive gives up, boom, it gets air stapled. So that's pretty much the gist of it. Like I said, if it can be RGB, it is. So let me know. Of course, we got a copy of the Necronomicon Ex Mortis up there because it's a Halloween prop, but it's cool. So this is where I do my stuff, and this is a recording studio. The Raspberry Pi is down here, which, you know, cable management could be better, but I'm not into cable management right now. And that's a RGB fan. That is a an M.2 2 MB, whatever drive, I can back up onto that. That's yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the gist of what it is and what I do. And I'll record here and edit here mostly. I used to use Power Director, now I exclusively use Kdenlive. Yeah, Kdenlive to do it. So let me know what you guys think. You have questions, put them below, and we'll get to it. All right, everybody have a good one. This is whatever channel I put it on. All right, have a good one. Yeah, I want to add one thing here. The lighting in here is a studio light up there. And there's the Alexa light too, but I don't use that. But if we go over here, and where is it? Here it is. It's on the wall. We can turn the light on off, or when I'm recording, it's just too bright in here, so we just lower the lighting in here. You paint. But I can lower the lighting, so when I shut the curtain like this, as you can tell, the sound just got a little different in here, but we can lower the lighting however we need for recording. Yeah, it just depends on what we need. Oops, wrong button. So yeah, so there I can record now. As you can tell, it's a lot different in here. I should have given you a sample of this, but it's a lot different in here. Audio. So there you go. All right, guys, have a good one.